Okay, so now we are going to understand the fermentation process. Okay, so here we have seen in previous video that during the glycolysis, glucose converts into pyruvic acid. Okay, by the process called glycolysis. Okay, and this pyruvic then undergoes anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. Okay, and during anaerobic respiration takes place, okay, like acid and alcohols are formed, and this process is called as fermentation. Okay, generally the fermentation process takes place by yeast cell or it takes place by the bacteria. Okay, and during the fermentation, like acid will form, like again another product called alcohol will form, and this fermentation process have industrial use because by the yeast fermentation we can produce lactic acid, okay, and
Yes, sir.
carboxylic acid, or we can say ethanoic acid. Instead of carboxylic acid we should say ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is nothing but 5 to 8% aqueous solution of ethanoic acid is called as vinegar, that we are using as an ingredient for Chinese food. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Will you please
Yeah.
repeat one for
And
Chinese?
like vinegar, 5 to 8%. About
Yeah, sir. Got it. Acetic acid.
yes, yes. Acetic acid is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is IUPAC name, and acetic acid is the common name.
All
Okay.
right.
Yeah. So 5 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid or ethanoic acid is called as vinegar. Okay, so fermentation process have industrial use for the formation of lactic acid. Lactic acid generally nowadays very common. It is present like in the form of yogurt. Okay, and probiotics are present there, and they
Yes, sir.
help.
Just a doubt,
Yeah,
sir.
yes,
Sir,
and they
yogurt is made up of what, sir?
generally bacteria are present there. Like good bacteria are there. They generally when they enters in our body, they used to in boost our digestive system.
So,
Okay.
sir, those which have cellulose digesting bacteria, I think.
No. They are good bacteria. Like in milk, we have
Yes, sir. I am
lactobacilli
saying the
bacteria.
same. Yeah, sir. Cellulose is not digested in our
Yes, yes,
digestive
yes,
system
yes.
throughout. So bacteria are present in our body. So I think those bacteria are there in the yogurt.
No, generally see that bacteria, like we can say they are good bacteria. They secreted some enzyme. That enzyme used to boost our digestive system. Means they increase the process of digestion. Okay,
Okay, sir.
they
Got it.
release different kinds of digestive enzymes in our body, and they also use to detoxicate our body, like toxic substances which are deposited in our cell of the stomach, intestine. Okay, these substances have been detoxicated by this bacteria. That's why like monthly, one time, 2 time you should have yogurt. It is coming
Okay,
in
sir.
the market by the name called probiotics.
All right.
Okay, so that fermentation process have the industrial use. Okay, for the production of ethanoic acid. Okay, that yeast cells are used in fermentation of carbon compound and which produces ethanoic acid. We are using certain bacteria. They produces alcohol in presence, in absence of oxygen. Okay, means in anaerobic respiration they produces alcohol, and alcohol have again industrial use, which is used in wine industries or wineries where wine is going to produce, in beer industries. Okay, where different types of alcohols are formed.
Sir, at most, sir, sanitizer industries.
Yeah, nowadays sanitizer industries is booming because due to protect ourselves from the harmful bacteria and viruses which are may come in contact with us. So yes, nowadays have very good, but like in order to produce sanitizer, we generally using that molasses. You know what is molasses?
No, sir.
You don't know molasses. You are in 10th class.
Sir, actually I forgot molasses.
Okay. So you know that cane sugar.
Oh yes, sir.
Sugar cane, yeah. We used to extract juice from the sugar cane, and the remaining part of the sugar cane, okay, after extraction of juice is called as bagasse. Okay.
Okay.
That bagasse have again different industrial use. It is used in paper industries. Okay. For the preparation of notebook, newspaper like paper, we generally use that bagasse also. It is also used as a fuel. Then we have that sugarcane juice. That sugarcane juice is being purified in order to form sugar. Then again, waste product is formed. That waste product which is formed, that waste product is called as molasses. Okay. The biomass which is left behind after the extraction of sugar from the sugarcane juice is called as molasses. And that molasses contain a very large amount of sugar, and that sugar is get fermented by the bacteria, and that in order to produce ethanol. Okay, and that ethanol can be used along with petrol. That petrol we are using in our India contain 10% of ethanol. You know that?
Yes, sir. Not, yeah.
Yeah, we are not using 100% pure alcohol like petrol and diesel. They contain 10% ethanol in them because ethanol have flammability property. Okay, that's why it is going to mixed with petrol in order to decrease the import of the crude oil from the Gulf.
Yes.
Yeah. So all these processes have industrial use. So we are going to discuss about the fermentation process. Okay. So fermentation is an anaerobic process. It is a respiration. Which one? Anaerobic respiration. It can be released from the glucose even in oxygen is not available. Means the glucose can be oxidized when oxygen is not available. Means anaerobic process. Okay. Where acid and alcohols are formed. So fermentation occurs in yeast cell, very important, in yeast cell and bacterial cell, and in our muscles also. Okay, a small amount of like our muscles, their anaerobic process takes place during exercise only. Okay, in an anaerobic pathway, which glucose is broke. Sorry. It is an anaerobic pathway in which glucose is going to break down in order to form alcohol, acid, and to release carbon dioxide and ultimate ATP molecule. Okay. The respiration that happens in minute level in our body also. Okay. Generally, when we are performing exercise, suppose like we used to visit gym, and there we are performing dumbling in order to develop our biceps and triceps. So that time like more muscles required of the hand, more energy, that muscle require more energy. So in order to fulfill more energy, that muscles they required more energy, more nutrients and more oxygen. But
Yes, sir.
oxygen need to supply all over the body, so that in that particular region only oxygen is not going to supply. Okay, so that time due to the lack of oxygen, that muscles they start performing an aerobic respiration. Okay, and during an aerobic respiration lactic acid is formed, and that lactic acid going to accumulate in our body. So due to that lactic acid which accumulate in our body, we are feeling tired. Yes, beta.
Can you check the waiting room once?
Waiting room. Yes, Xavier is there. Well, Xavier is, like, I think network is not working properly his side. Xavier? Xavier, are you there, beta? Xavier. Okay, I think his mic is not working. He told me
It's
that.
not there, sir.
He just joined. Let me check.
Sir is connecting to audio.
Yes. Raven is there. Okay. Xavier, whatever the portion will left by you, you can go through that video also. I am going to post it by today or by tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. So next part. So that an aerobic respiration is also performed in our muscle cells. Okay. In the cell is called as cellular respiration. So it is nothing but the part of cellular respiration where an aerobic respiration takes place when it is need of extra energy in our muscles. Then it occurs in presence or absence of oxygen. Okay, in presence of oxygen it is aerobic. If it takes place in absence of oxygen, then it is called as anaerobic respiration. Okay, and anaerobic respiration called fermentation. Any type of cellular respiration begins with glycolysis. Okay, so the glycolysis process is common for both aerobic as well as anaerobic respiration. Okay, that process is common in both the case. After formation of pyruvic acid, the processes are different. Okay.
All right.
Okay, where 3-carbon molecule like pyruvic acid is formed and as the end product, and that pyruvic acid undergoes either aerobic or anaerobic respiration. So different cell handles pyruvic acid into two major ways. One is called fermentation and another one is called as that we have discussed TCA cycle. So pyruvic acid whether going to perform fermentation or whether going to perform TCA cycle, which depends on presence or absence of oxygen. Now we are going to discuss the types of fermentation. So we have basically 3 types of fermentation. Out of 2 we have acidic. Out of 3, 2 are acidic and 1 is alcoholic fermentation. So now we are going to discuss about the lactic acid fermentation. So in lactic acid fermentation, the starch or sugar is converted into lactic acid by yeast cell. Okay, and generally bacteria also. So yeast cell and bacteria, they used to perform anaerobic respiration in order to form lactic acid. That's why it is called as lactic acid fermentation. During exercise, during exercise, our body also perform anaerobic respiration in order to form lactic acid. Okay, energy expenditure is faster than the oxygen supply. Okay, to the muscle cells. That's why our muscle cells start performing anaerobic respiration, and this result in the formation of lactic acid in muscle cells. Okay, and due to that lactic acid, we feel tired. Okay, and here again painful muscles. What are painful muscles? Generally those muscles or cells, they can undergo wearing and tearing inside our body. Okay, that muscles are called as painful muscles, and there also when blood is not supplied properly, then anaerobic respiration performed there. Next we have alcohol fermentation. Very important, alcohol fermentation. It have the industrial use. Even all this fermentation process have industrial use. So pyruvate, which is nothing but the pyruvic acid, is the end product of the glycolysis, is breakdown into alcohol. That's why it is called as alcoholic fermentation. And the carbon dioxide, alcohol along with carbon dioxide is formed, and it is used in wine industries, in beer industries. Okay, where alcohol is formed from the carbon compound. Then we have acetic acid fermentation process, very important again. Okay, like starch which is going to convert into the vinegar. Vinegar is nothing but acetic acid or ethanoic acid. It's a formula CH3C double bond OOH. Okay, it is acetic acid. Okay, and the condiments also. You know what is condiments? condiments is the, like we have sauce, we have tomato ketchup. Okay, all these are called as condiments, which goes on the fast food. Okay, for their preparation, we are applying the acetic acid fermentation process. Understood, beta?
Yes.
So
Yes,
if during the fermentation, if alcohol is formed, it is alcoholic fermentation. If lactic acid will form, it is lactic acid fermentation. If acetic acid will form, then it is called as acetic acid fermentation. Yes. Now your question. Yes, somebody is asking the question. So have you understood, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so take a screenshot for types of fermentation.
Already taken.
Already taken. And for fermentation. Done, beta?
Yes, sir.